Good morning, boys and girls. How are you doing today? We are going to talk about some ways in which we can care for our bodies. Now, I'm going to sing this song for you. Listen keenly. My name is Tamar. I like to clean. Keeping things as clean as can be. Oh, and here's a song I'll always sing. That helps me to remember what to clean. So, wash my face, hairs, and feet. Wash my hands before I eat. After meals, brush my teeth. Clean a room and keep it neat. Soap and water, hair and sun. Keep things clean for everyone. How nice it feels to be clean. Oh, nice it feels to keep clean. Oh, nice it feels to be clean. Give me a big clap. Give us all a big clap. All right, now we're talking about some ways in which we can care for our bodies. Now, I'm going to go over to this side because I have a lot of things going on right here. Let me take a seat and we're going to talk. Now, I have some different items here that we use to clean and take care of our bodies. Now I'm going to tell you the different items. We have shampoo with conditioner, and we use this to wash our hairs, right? Yes. And we have the comb and the brush that we use to comb and brush our hair. Yes, keep it neat and clean. Also, we have our lotion. What do we use the lotion to do? Yes, man. Yes, we lather our skin, and keep it soft and moist. And some persons use a body splash or perfume to spray into their clothes. We also have our powder. And some persons just use this to put onto your body just to keep yourself fresh and nice. Some persons use deodorant. Some persons use the other one. This is, Jamaicans call it roll-on. Yes, but the deodorant. And also, for those who might be coughing or feeling sick, we use our Istal. Yes, our medicine. And kids don't like to take your medicines, but it's very important. Mom also use it's a cotton bud. Some persons, Jamaicans call it ear swab or ears cleaner. Yes. And we use it to clean our ears. And we have our tissue. We know what we use our tissues to do, right? Yes, man, we defecate. Or some person urinate and use it to. Alright. And we have our toothpaste for adults and for children. Also have our toothbrush. Yes, we have our toothbrush. And I have a soap here, Protex. Protex can be used for both children and adults. And we have the Iris spray. So we have and here I have my nail clip and a floss. And when after you eat, you are supposed to floss. You are supposed to floss. And there's a string attached there. Here, your floss. I use it to floss your teeth. Yes, keep it clean. All right. Now, some ways that we can take care of our bodies. We can wash our face, yes, and we can clean our ears, clean our eyes, brush your teeth, yes, clean your nose, yes, clip your fingernails using the fingernail clip. So when mommy tell you to hold your finger out to clip your fingernail clip, don't be afraid. Clip, clip. Yes, man, keep it short and neat. Yes. And wash your hands before and after you eat and bathe. Yes, sir. All right. Now I'm going to do a short demonstration. And here I have with me my little monkey baby. This is my baby. And I'm going to show you how I take care of him. Yes, that's a boy. So here I have some water here. So we use water. What else we use to bathe? Rag. Got that wet. And my soap. Let me open this one. All right. Take up my baby clothes. All right, so I'm just going to get this wet and lie down, baby. I want my blankie. It takes time, so. And girls, you can take out your doll to do your demonstration. And boys, you know how to do it, right? So we take the rag, it's wet. I can bathe myself. And mommy would soap up the rag because it is wet. I can bathe myself. I can bathe. And then mommy would wipe. Come on. Baby's arm, fingers, come on. Look at that. This is the way we bathe, oh yes. Bathe, oh yes. Bathe, oh yes. This is the way we bathe, oh yes. Every day. And for those who like to wash their hair, mommy would hold your head over the bath, pour some shampoo on it, and she wash it. This is the way we wash our hair, wash our hair, wash our hair. This is, and she rinse it off. Yes, man, and she have her blanket to dry it off and pat it down. And the girls would use the shampoo, the conditioner, and use the comb to comb it out so it gets soft. Yes. So the baby finished bathing. And mommy use a towel and finish drying off the baby. Oh, yes. Smell nice. Woo! It's so good to get to bathe. All right, so when the baby bathes and mommy dry him down, pat him down with the towel, she'll get some powder. Ooh. On the chest there, on the back. Oh, yes. And get some lotion. Lotion up your hands, your feet. All right, and the face. Going for my ears cleaner. All right, so sometimes we wet it just to make it a little softer. And take your time and clean the ears. Children, do not clean your ears. Allow mommy or daddy to do this. All right. I'm going to brush the baby's hair. Rub some hair oil and brush it. And girls, mommy will comb your hair. So here we have our toothbrush and our toothpaste. Squeeze it onto it and you brush the teeth. Right? Yes, ma'am. Lot of things we're doing this morning. And you would wash out your mouth. Mommy will wipe off your mouth. So you brush your teeth. Alright, now that you brush your teeth and you up and running, mommy will put on your socks. This is the way we take care of our bodies. Take care of our bodies. Take care of our bodies. This is the way we take care of our bodies every. And this is my baby, so my baby wear a Pampers. This is the way we take care of our bodies. Take care of our bodies. Take care of our bodies. This is the way we take care of our bodies every day. Woo! All right. And boys, wear briefs. So I'm putting on the brief on the boy. This is the way we take care of our bodies. Take care of our bodies. Take care of our bodies. This is the take care of our bodies every day. All right. You liking this, right? And the baby must wear clothes. But you can't leave the baby naked. So put on the baby clothes. This is the way we put on our clothes. Put on our clothes. Put on our... I know you're all looking because you're enjoying this part of it. Put on our clothes every day. Oh, yes. This baby is looking oh so fine. Yes. And this is where I'm feeding my baby. All right. So it's feeding time. So mommy would get the plate and feed you. Eating up all the food. Some baby drink from the bottle. Drink their tea. Or some person like to eat their yogurt. So mommy would pull the yogurt and feed the baby with the yogurt. So you must eat to stay healthy. Yes. And my baby is all cleaned up. smelling nice. And if I'm taking you on the road, what should you wear? Yes, put on your mask. You must wear your mask to prevent coronavirus. And walk with your hand sanitizer. So every time I have to sanitize my hand. This is a new way of caring for your body, using your hand sanitizer and wearing your mask. All right. And some persons use a Lysol to disinfect the area. All right, so I can spray my Lysol, make sure my things are clean. All right, I'm going to take off the mask because I'm not taking the baby on the road. I'm going to put the baby in his bed. So go, look at the baby all clean, and the baby is sleeping now. So I'm going to put the baby in his bed. It's nap time. All right. Now that our baby is clean, mommy always do something to keep your clothes clean. So here I have my bag. Washing time. Oh, washing time. Yes, it is washing time. So mommy get some soap powder. Oh, washing time, washing time. It is washing time, soap, water, and we're gonna wash. Scrub it, scrub it, scrub it, scrub it. Scrub it, scrub it, scrub it, scrub it. Wash.